I'm Nayan Siddiqui, and today I like to share a case study of our recent client which we onboarded in the mid of February 2025. So let's get started. So at the time of onboarding, the client was experiencing every sale, but their main problem was overspending in their ads data. So if you go to the advertisement dashboard and select the date range from February 21st to January 21st to February 21st and apply the filter, you will see in a higher cost of 58.66 and their total sales in the same time period, which was January 21st to February 21st, and apply the filter. So their total sale was $29,000, $29,000 with an average selling price of 14.94. Basically, the client are targeting every variation with often irrelevant search term, and there was no proper campaign structure. So after identifying the root causes, we started our working, and within the first 30 days, within the first 30 days from the February 21st to March 21st, their echoes dropped to 34.34, which shows our working were very effective, and their sales also grows in the same time period from February 21st to March 21st. So their sales increased to $38,000 with an average selling price of 16.54, and the following 30 days, which was March 21st to April today date, their sales increased to $43,000, and their cost. And if we select the same date range from in the advertisement dashboard from for March 21st to April 20, you will see their cost dropped to 23.866, and their sales increased to $43,000 with an average selling price of 19.38. So over the past 60 days, we not only increased their sales, but also optimize their campaigns, reducing their cost from 58% to 23%, which shows an excellent performance and growth of this account. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. I'll happy to help you. Thanks.